Hey guys, it's Jordan from Smith & Sons. Thank you so much for checking us out. I'm just picking up Ben, and we're not picking up Ali because he's teaching and he's making his own way. I'm going to go to our first wedding. This is our stage, you ready? You ready for it? This is on our stage, so we've got to try and figure out how to set up around this. Ben's here! Hello! That was the funniest hello ever. Hello Alistair.
Alright.
So it worked around this. Alright, set one down.
I'm gonna
You're right.
help me rather than filming.
Just do that. Oh! What a lovely way to end a lovely gig.
What a lovely way! It's beautiful!
If anyone was wondering what the best Beatles song ever was, it's by far this song. Alright guys, it's day 2. I'm at the averagely beautiful Epsom Downs, as you can see. And I'm actually going for the gimbal today, so it's less shaky camera, but I haven't set it up yet. So I'm going to get Ben now, and yeah, I think Ali's going to be there as well, so we'll see you there. So as I said, day 2, we've got Ben. Hello. And we've got Ali.
Oi oi oi!
We're just on the way to meet Tom. We're stuck on the A3 at the moment. It's hilarious. Alright, so we're at gig number 2. Let's have a look. Latency as usual. Let's find Ben. Of course. I could explain. As you can hear, it's pretty loud. So I'm going to go through video, it's going to cut it. How loud is it? Huh? Exactly. Ali, here's a question for you, mate, whilst we're here. How long have you been doing Smith & Sons for?
A couple of years, is it? A couple of years?
It's 2 years. We started recording the demo 2 years ago, this week. How did you think tonight went?
I thought it was excellent.
Yeah, it was
The bride rapping was the best part.
That's day 2 done.
Yes.
How long have we known each other?
For like 5 years now.
5 years. We were working together at a music school. I was giving him gigs with weird tribute shows, Gaga and Black Eyed Peas to be specific.
3 hours of singing tomorrow. Yeah, it's pretty hardcore.
What day is it today?
Saturday, 3.
Day 3. So day 3, as I said, Ben's in the van. We are going to a place called Little Plonks Farm. Very interesting name. Hello. Hello guys. We are indeed.
I travel across the land, searching all your phone.
2 things. Yesterday, this went missing. This is the thing that makes the snare drum sound nice and beefy. How long did it take us to get out, Ben?
45 minutes.
45 minutes. Do you want to see how much stuff's loaded? It's just me and Ben here. Oh, it's pretty much empty. That's because me and Ben. Show yourself on camera, mate. We've just done it all. Right, so this is our kind of stage. Half made. As there's a bunch of gear missing because it's outside. Let's run up. What are you saying?
No, I'm not going to repeat what I just said.
so we just done our acoustic set. How did it go, Ali?
Well, thanks. Yeah, lots of banjo solos. All right. All right.
I actually really enjoyed it.
There we go.
Yeah, I actually really enjoyed it. I thought I'd struggle a bit.
Enjoyed all the banjo solos.
Yeah.